I'm Rafael Kisumbing.
I'm Grace.
Representing the R users group of the Philippines.
I'm the CEO and founder of Filter.
Very excited to share AWS UG Guildhurst Plus. I'm a volunteer and co-organizer.
Very important that you have the knowledge of what's the culture that you really want to put in place.
For us, it's really about finding really great, world-class digital and e-commerce talent. The Philippines has been a very good place to be.
Technology is actually a great equalizer. The community's inspiration is that, there's a safe space.
The fact that you joined, that's already a big step.
Having the platform of a very clear vision and values and a mission of the business and empowering people to make decisions.
This will not be the only episode that you will see. We will have a lot more. I'd also like to thank our co-presenter, AWS and AWS Tech Lab.
PWA Pilipinas would like to thank the following sponsors: Amazon Web Services, Apper.ph, Community Partners, Algo Filipino, Omniquotient, Angel Hack, React.js Philippines, Google Developer Student Club AMA Computer College Caloocan, Angular Philippines, Phil IT Org, Computer Professionals Union. Maraming salamat!
Cloud computing is the on-demand delivery of IT resources via the internet, with pay-as-you-go pricing. Instead of buying, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers, you can access technology services such as computing power, storage, and databases on an as-needed basis from a cloud provider like Amazon Web Services. Organizations of every type, size, and industry are using the cloud for a wide variety of use cases, such as data backup, disaster recovery, email, virtual desktops, software development and testing, big data analytics, and customer-facing web applications. For example, healthcare companies are using the cloud to develop more personalized treatments for patients. Financial services companies are using the cloud to power real-time fraud detection and prevention. And video game makers are using the cloud to deliver online games to millions of players around the world. With cloud computing, your business can become more agile, reduce costs, instantly scale, and deploy globally in minutes. Cloud computing gives you instant access to a broad range of technologies so you can innovate faster and build nearly anything you can imagine. From infrastructure services such as compute, storage, and databases, to Internet of Things, machine learning, data analytics, and much more. You can deploy technology services in a matter of minutes and get from idea to implementation several orders of magnitude faster than before. This gives you the freedom to experiment and test new ideas to differentiate customer experiences and transform your business, such as adding machine learning and intelligence to your applications in order to personalize experiences for your customers and improve their engagement. You don't need to make large upfront investments in hardware and overpay for capacity you don't use. Instead, you can trade capital expense for variable expense and only pay for IT as you consume it. With cloud computing, you access resources from the cloud in real time, as they're needed. You can scale these resources up and down to grow or shrink capacity instantly as your business needs change. Cloud computing also makes it easy to expand to new regions and deploy globally in minutes. For example, Amazon Web Services has infrastructure all over the world, so you're able to deploy your application in multiple physical locations in just a few clicks. Putting applications in closer proximity to end users reduces latency and improves their experience. No matter your location, size, or industry, the cloud frees you from managing infrastructure and data centers so you can focus on what matters most to your business.
PWA Pilipinas would like to thank the following sponsors: Amazon Web Services, Apper.ph, Community Partners, Algo Filipino, Omnicotion, Angel Hack, React.js Philippines, Google Developer Student Club Ama Computer College Caloocan, Angular Philippines, Phil IT Org, Computer Professionals Union. Maraming salamat!
I'm Rafael Kisumbing.
I'm Grace.
Representing the R Users Group of the Philippines.
I'm the CEO and founder of Filter.
Very excited to share AWS UG Build Hers Plus. I'm a volunteer and co-organizer.
Very important that you have the knowledge of what's the culture that you really want to put in place.
For us, it's really about finding really great, world-class digital and e-commerce talent. The Philippines has been a very good place to be.
Technology is actually a great equalizer. The community's inspiration is that, there's a safe space.
The fact that you joined, that's already a big step.
Having the platform of a very clear vision and values and a mission of the business and empowering people to make decisions.
This will not be the only episode that you will see. We will have a lot more. I'd also like to thank our co-presenter, AWS and AWS SICLab.
PWA Pilipinas would like to thank the following sponsors: Amazon Web Services, Apper.ph, Community Partners, Algo Filipino, Omnicotion, Angel Hack, React.js Philippines, Google Developer Student Club Ama Computer College Caloocan, Angular Philippines, Phil IT Org, Computer Professionals Union. Maraming salamat! Hello everyone. Grabe 10 viewers agad. Hello everyone for the last time for our anniversary celebration. I'm Adesito de Guzman, the community lead for PWA Pilipinas along with
Michael Lance from
Yeah.
PWA Pilipinas
Ina.
and welcoming once again in this raffle draw of PWA
Pilipinas. Yeah. Sige. Para saglit lang, no, introduce lang natin yung org tapos ano ba? Thank you muna tayo sa mga sponsor partners natin. Tapos pili na tayo ng winners. Medyo
Yay!
ang base lang kahapon eh. So konti lang to ngayon. Yan, sana yung mga humihiling na sana manalo sila. Yan, baka chance nyo na to. Baka first is not, baka hindi rin sa pangalawa, baka sa pangatlo.
Di ba?
3 times the charm. Diba?
More chances of winning tayo ngayon, Andre.
Oo. So, ayan, no, bago tayo mag-umpisa, kami po yung PWA Pilipinas, a community for makers, designers, users of progressive web apps in the Philippines. Our mission is to introduce and nurture progressive web apps development and adoption in the Philippines and beyond by fostering a community for subject matter experts, enthusiasts, adopters, and developers of the platform, and by providing resources and engagement just like this to stimulate interest in progressive web apps, because our vision is that progressive web apps would be adopted widely here in the country. But what's that PWA I'm talking about? Well, progressive web apps are your web applications, but are supercharged with native app-like features like having the ability to be installed, work offline, and work across different devices and form factors. And with that, thank you for the 2 amazing years of joining us here at PWA Pilipinas. And sana, no, eto na, nasa 3rd year na tayo officially. Sana umattend kayo kasi for sure marami pa kaming events na nakahanda para sa inyo.
Abangan nyo yung mga bago nating mga events, guys. Kaya kayo, tutok lang kayo dito sa PWA Pilipinas.
Ito sabi ni Tristan, may chance na siguro.
Aha, sabi niya.
Ay, nakamakdo ka na.
Oo. Nakatikim siya ng biyaya mula sa PWA Pilipinas.
Malam mo, hindi lang McDo, no? Baka shirt din. Gusto niya talaga yun ng shirt eh, pero we'll see. Yeah.
Oy, meron din tayong Triant Protector. Anong meron?
Ano nga bang meron?
Meron Triant Protector. Parang nilalaro ko to eh. Hindi ko lang alam kung saang laro yan eh.
Ito sabi ni Tristan, no? Ito na pala workshop ko. Thanks, Miss Atcha. And PWA Pilipinas, my first simple PWA. Ayan.
Yay!
Gusto daw tignan yung ginawa niyang PWA nung workshop natin kahapon. Ayan. Naks. O, diba?
Ipapakita natin yung kay Miss Atcha, yung gawa mong PWA. And congratulations sa'yo, Tristan. Nakagawa ka ng very first PWA simple application.
Yan. So, yun nga, no, recently nagkaroon tayo ng mga basic stock noong August 7 to 14, tsaka advanced stock mula noong 18 hanggang kahapon. At kung na-miss nyo yun, mga yun, or gusto yung balikan, saan ba siya? Nandito siya sa app namin or sa YouTube. May YouTube channel kami. Pero ilalagay din namin sila soon dito sa app. So, visit nyo lang app.pwpilipinas.org or install nyo lang siya, nasa Google Play siya or nasa Microsoft Store if naka-Windows kayo. Ayun. So, meron din tayo Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, may Discord tayo. So, palalaguin pa natin yung Discord na yan very soon. Kaya, sali na. Sali na. Oo. So, ayun, may Facebook page, group, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram. May email din kami. Tsaka site. Tsaka kung gusto mag-volunteer, please, mag-volunteer na kayo. Email lang kayo sa amin. Gusto ko mag-volunteer. Yun lang. Sagutin namin yung email.
Volunteer na kayo.
And speaking of mga partners, bago natin ipakita yung mga ganap nila, no? So, panoorin muna natin itong video na pa-thank you natin sa partners and sponsors. Ayun. PWA Pilipinas would like to thank the following. Sponsors: Amazon Web Services, Apper.ph. Community partners: Algo Filipino, Omnicotion, Angel Hack, React.js Philippines, Google Developer Student Club AMA Computer College Caloocan, Angular Philippines, Phil IT Org, Computer Professionals Union. Maraming salamat! And so sa lahat ng mga partners, sponsors na sumagot sa ating invitation, maraming salamat.
Thank you guys ha. Thank you for supporting PWA Pilipinas. Pangako namin, mas marami pang mga events ang abangan ninyo for the next months, for the next years. Tutok lang kayo dito sa PWA Pilipinas.
Yan, no? So since napakita na namin yung partners natin kanina, ito yung ilan sa mga ganap nila. So after nitong kung meron kayong code or questions about yung anything about programming, so meron tayong Omniquotient na para siyang community for that. So visit nyo lang si Omniquotient. So meron din tayong New Energy Nexus na hackathon. Malapit na siya mag-start. Nag-start yata siya. August to December 2021. Yung details ay nasa ating Facebook page. Tapos, ito naman Michael, invite mo sila.
Meron tayong hackathon nitong this week na September 3 to 5. Build a modern data app by Data Stacks. You will build different kinds of applications using the Astra DB database as a service in the cloud. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, sumali na kayo dito sa Build a Modern Data App. Visit bit.ly/pwa-pilipinas-ph for more information. Sali na kayo.
Yan, play natin yung video nila, no? Let's watch this. Ayan. Pwede bang PWA ipasa dyan?
Oo, syempre naman. Basta gagamit kayo ng Astra DB, guys, ha? Kung kayo ay sasali. Welcome na welcome dito ang Progressive Web Apps. Kaya ikaw, Tristan, Itogo, yung ginawa mong PWA app na yan, pwede mong ituloy dito yan. No? Pwede kang manalo dito. Actually, Andre, pinamibigay nila is $26,000 US.
Wow.
Oo.
Laki nun.
Diba? Million yun.
Grabe.
Magandang bigyan pag nanalo ka.
Oo nga eh. Baka mamaya kami ni-ilibre nyo, di ba? Baliktad na.
Kaya ako kasi sumali na kayo dito. Sali na.
Ito naman, nasa Space Apps. Malapit na ito. Excited na ako.
Yan, on October 2 to 3, darating na ang NASA Space Apps ulit sa Pilipinas. Visit spaceapps.co for more information. Ito ang pinakamalaking hackathon sa buong universe. Ang NASA's International Space Apps Challenge ay hinihikayat lahat ng mga coders, developers, engineers, technologists, and everyone around the world that will use NASA's free and open data to solve problems on Earth and space. Visit spaceapps.co for more information and enjoy our hackathon on October 2 to 3. Yan, Space Apps.
Yeah. Sabi ni Tristan, malayo pa tayo dyan, sir.
Malapit na yan. Kaya kung sa inyo, mag-aral pa kayo ng pag-develop ng PWA para ma-apply na natin yung skills natin dyan. At saka, makagawa tayo ng mas maraming app na makakatulong sa ibang tao.
Yan. Tsaka PWA Summit, since tapos na yung ating anniversary month, at kung nabitin kayo, for sure nabitin kayo, di ba? Meron tayong PWA Summit sa October 6 and 7. Malapit na yan. No? Register na kayo agad. PWASummit.org, may lineup na ng speakers tsaka topics. Gusto nyo pa matuto about PWA, yan, meron silang parang bootcamp din dyan. So, ayun, register lang kayo kasi free yan. Tapos bibigyan kayo parang badge.
So yun ha, yung mga gusto ng giveaway and freebie dyan ha, mag-register na kayo ngayon sa PWA Summit. Magkakaroon tayo ng special guest dyan, no, sa PWA Summit. Ang VIP natin dyan, walang iba kundi si Andre.
wala ako dyan.
Wala
Nanood
ka
lang din ako.
Ala ko ba, nag-ano ka? Di ba nag-register ka?
As attendee, yan. Manood tayo sa Miss Weather Manood.
Speaker ka na dyan. Ay, nako. Basta ako sa inyo guys ha. Gusto nyo makita ulit si Andre. As an attendee.
As an attendee. Para iba naman yun, no? Kasi dati tayo yung nag-speaker na ghost. Makikita naman kami bilang attendee.
Oo. Sumama na kayo dito sa PWA Summit. No? Summit. Okay.
Yan. Yung mga organize yan, Microsoft, Google, Intel, Samsung Internet, at iba pa. Parang ibang-iba. Yan. Sila, yung speaker natin, si Maxim Sannikov, yung isa sa mga nag-organize. So,
yun. Kaya sumama na kayo dyan.
Make sure to watch. So, ito na. Sinong gusto ng matagal nang minimithing PWA Pilipinas X AWS shirt na sobrang limited edition? Na yung mga winners lang yung meron.
So, siyempre kung ako lang yan, gusto ko nang kunin niya, no? Kaya lang, magkakaroon tayo ng ano dito. Kaya ako sa inyo guys, ha? Mag-abang-abang kayo dito. No? Baka kayo ang manalo.
Lalo na kung umattend kayo kahapon, nag-fill up kayo ng feedback form. Ayan. Ang konti ng kalaban nyo kasi, di ba? Isa lang yung isa lang yung talk. Ay, tama. Dalawa yung talk, pero, di ba? Konti lang.
Konti yung nag-register.
Dati kasi, parang magkakalaban, 3 talks yun eh. Yung, di ba? 3 to 4. So, 2 lang. Yan. The same day pa. So, congratulations muna sa mga nanalo dati. No? So, sila Krisha, Christopher, Jonah, tsaka Francis. Pero yung sa, isa lang yung tig-isang shirt. Yung isa naman, thank you goodies yun. So, yan. At least may papanalunan kayo, syempre. Pero hindi nga lang shirt.
Nakakain yata yun eh.
Depende sa sabi.
Secret, no? Secret. Kaya abangan nyo yung mga ipaparapol natin mamaya.
So, congratulations. 2 na, no? At sa last na tayo. Anyway, pili na siguro tayo para matanggal yung kaba nila. Share ko na yung ating screen.
Ay, kayo guys ha, tumutok lang kayo dito.
Total of 9 entries. Ayan, ako hindi pa manalo itong mga ewan ko na lang.
Itong mga to.
Nandito ba si Christian? Dito.
Ayun,
Tingnan natin. Share natin.
Sana mabunot tong mga na to.
Mga nahihiling ng shirt. Ayan, Ayan, sa baba. Ayan, Sino kayo mapipili?
Sino kaya ang maswerte?
Sino kayo maswerteng mananalo ng t-shirt at or goodies yan. So, piliin muna natin yung sa goodies muna.
Goodies muna. Ayan.
Para yung huli, di ba?
Yung t-shirt.
Sabi niya, naku, salamat na lang kay Miss Atcha sa pa-Gcash. Ayan, grabe naman to. Dami, tiba-tiba pala to ng pa-premium. Grabe naman.
Baka hindi na kailangan tong sumama sa Raffle.
Grabe naman. Nga pala, may
Hindi
Gcash.
na kailangan sumahalin ng Raffle to. May Gcash.
Grabe ka.
Joke
Lahat
lang.
na yan. Ikaw yata grand winner na.
Pag ikaw nanalo dito, ewan ko na lang.
Grabe. Ayan. Anyway, ready na pa kayo?
Ready na kayo sa raffle natin, ha?
Sabi malabo daw siya sa spinning wheel. Malay mo naman.
Ang gawin mo, pag malabo yan, gawin mong 720p yung resolution. Lilinaw.
Para lilinaw.
Lilinaw yung wheel natin. Sige.
Sige na, pili na tayo para tapos na.
Okay. Sige.
1, 2, 3. Sino kaya?
Ang langis ng nilagay.
Sino kaya? Oy!
Hindi. Oo,
Wala!
Nako. Oh.
Anyway, goodies pa lang naman yan eh. So,
Ay.
yan.
Meron pa.
Hintayin natin hanggat di naglumalabas yung ano.
Ano ba yan?
Okay, congrats kay
Congratulations kay Don Diego. Ayan. Si
congratulations.
PWA Pilipinas, goodie.
Oo. Ang maganda sa goodie na to, ikaw yung pipili kung ano yung gusto mong goodie. So,
Ay, ganon?
mm-hmm.
May ganon pa. Pwede pala yung pagpipili. Kasi sa t-shirt, di ka pwedeng pumili.
May design.
Oo. Kumbaga, kung ano yung design dun, yun na yun. Kung hindi ko pwedeng ilipat sa likod yung yung mga nakalagay doon sa harapan. At saka yung color niya ay color gray. Yung size ba pwedeng piliin?
Tatanong natin kung ano yung size.
Ayun. Okay. So, pwede, no? Okay. Good. So,
anyway, eto na. Sa shirt na tayo. So, syempre, bago tayo pumili, medyo dapat may suspense muna. So, since na nagbigay sa atin ng shirt is AWS, syempre, panonorin muna natin yung video nila. So, habang sinusulat ko yung pangalan ni Lenny. Susulat ko muna siya.
Bago ma-remove yung pangalan, sulat muna ni Andre, siyempre.
Sulat ko.
Kaya
so, panoorin muna natin to. Diba?
Sige.
AWS is the world's most comprehensive and broadly adopted cloud platform. Millions of customers trust AWS to power their infrastructure and applications. Organizations of every type and size are using AWS to lower costs, become more agile, and innovate faster. AWS provides on-demand delivery of technology services via the internet with pay-as-you-go pricing. You can use these services to build and run virtually any type of application without upfront costs or ongoing commitments. You only pay for what you use. AWS gives you more services and more features within those services than any other cloud provider. This makes it faster, easier, and more cost-effective to move your existing applications to the cloud and to build anything you can imagine. From infrastructure technologies like compute, storage, and databases, to emerging technologies such as machine learning and artificial intelligence, data lakes and analytics, and Internet of Things. Building on AWS means you can choose the right tool for the job. For example, AWS offers the widest variety of databases that are purpose-built for different types of applications. With AWS, you can leverage the latest technologies to experiment and innovate more quickly. We are continually accelerating our pace of innovation to invent entirely new technologies you can use to transform your business. Like pioneering the serverless computing space with the launch of AWS Lambda, which lets developers run their code without provisioning or managing servers. And AWS built Amazon SageMaker, a fully managed machine learning service that empowers everyday developers and scientists to use machine learning without any previous experience. We are constantly expanding our global network of AWS regions, so you can access AWS services to build and run your applications from anywhere in the world. Each of these regions has multiple availability zones that are physically separated from each other and connected by low latency, high throughput, and highly redundant networking. This makes it easy to design and operate applications that are scalable, fault-tolerant, and highly available. Our infrastructure is built to satisfy the security standards of the most risk-sensitive organizations. You also have access to the AWS Partner Network, which has thousands of systems integrators who specialize in AWS services, and tens of thousands of independent software vendors who adapt their technology to work on AWS. With the largest community of customers across every industry, AWS has unmatched experience and operational expertise you can depend upon for your most important applications in every imaginable use case.
Ayan. So maraming salamat AWS and yan, for the shirt. Ayan. So ready na ba kayo? 8 na lang yung nasa list. So
Ready na
good
kayo.
luck.
Lalagyan muna ni Andre ng langis yung.
Oo nga. Okay na ba? Start na natin.
Ready na ha? Ready na guys.
Ako yung kinakabahan eh. No? Parang nandito kaya, nanonood kaya sa live stream yung mananalo.
Dito kaya ang ang mananalo. Kayo magtutok lang kayo ha. I-like nyo yung aming video, live stream.
Okay.
Sige, game.
1, 2, 3. Last na shirt na to.
Ako, ayan na.
Nako. Sino kaya? Oh!
Ay,
Oh.
ay, hala. Ay, nako. Ay, nako. Under pa yan.
Under pa siya.
Hindi, under pa yan. Sabi na nga ba?
Uy, si Loreto yung nanalo. Tama ba? Ayan. Nandito siya kahapon, di ba? Sa workshop. Tama ba? Congrats! Anyway, congratulations.
Loreto Gutierrez Jr.
Baka na-jinx lang talaga.
Oo.
Anyway, congratulations. Yan, sisulat ko na. Ayan. Yan. Ang classmate daw sila.
Oo. Ay,
nandito siya kahapon. Nung workshop. Ayan.
Christian.
Yan. So, congratulations sa mga nanalo. So, mag-i-email kami kung paano ma-claim yung prize. Yan. So, tanongin mo yung shirt nyo, shirt size, ganyan. So, congratulations.
Congratulations guys sa mga nanalo ng hoodie and t-shirt. Ayan.
Tsaka sa mga nanalo ng McDo, ng GCash, ng... parang di natin ina-announce, pero
Surprise.
dami pala natin pinamimigay.
Oo.
Siyempre, di ba? Incentivize mo yung mga pumupunta.
Oo.
Yan.
Kaya,
So, yung mga certificates ay coming very soon. Yung mga dati, yan, okay na yung certificates nila. Okay, so, anyway, salamat daw, sabi ni Tristan. Salamat mga sir.
salamat din sa panonood at pagtututok dito sa PWA Pilipinas. Thank you so much for being part of our special second anniversary edition of PWA.
Yan. So, medyo muna tayo, no? Pero magpe-prepare na tayo para sa Space Apps. Tapos, may hinahanda kami para sa Oktoberfest. Ayan. Diba? Ang dami agad eh. So,
Dami nating mga gana.
Kasi mag-volunteer, sabihin nyo kami.
Tristan, baka gusto mo mag-volunteer sa amin. No? Welcome ka. Paano ulit mag-volunteer, Andre? Anong email ba?
Hi at I share ko pala.
Para lang malaman ni Tristan kung paano sumali.
Yan. So, ito pala.
Ito guys, sa web.
Ayan. Yan. Kung email lang kayo sa hi at pwphilippines.org. So, kung may free time kayo, ganyan. So, pwede naman yun.
Makakatulong kayo sa community.
Tsaka daming goodies. Ayan. Baka di nakasali sa freebie yung volunteer. Hindi ka kasama pero just grabe naman, di ba? Yung benefits ng pagiging volunteer. Oo, mandaming opportunities. Tsaka, yan.
Pwede mo ilagay sa resume mo.
Yan, willing daw siya to join.
Yun. Anong gagawin mo, Tristan? I-type mo nga sa comment. Kaya nga, anong gagawin natin kung gusto mo mag-volunteer? Anong gagawin natin?
Madaming opportunities for kung, di ba? Email. Ayan.
Email, very good.
Email mo kami para
yung mga classmate mo ha, mag-volunteer din. Para dumami yung ating mga dito. Marami tayong mga ganap, marami tayong mga community engagements, no? Para maturuan natin yung ating mga kapwa Pilipino more on the PWA Pilipinas. Ayan. Progressive web apps.
kung gusto nyo mag-start maging speaker or gusto nyo na ipadala kayo to this workshop, ganyan. Ayan. Daming opportunities, diba?
Kaya, kung ako sa inyo.
Tsaka for sure may goodies yung mga volunteers. So,
yun.
Meron kami lahat. So,
lahat kami may
may McDo, may goodies, may
O Tristan, gusto mo ng goodie pa. Sumali ka dun sa Build a Modern Data App na hackathon. Namimigay sila ng goodies. $1 pa nga eh.
Pwede yan, di ba? Parang hanap ka ng ka-group na
Ayun, kung wala ka
kung experience pa masyado sa pag-code, for sure.
Yeah, kung wala ka pang kagrupo at naghahanap ka, meron dong Slack channel kung saan pwede ka maghanap ng teammates, no? O kung gusto mong maghanap pa ng teammates, ayan si Andre, pwede mong maging kagrupo.
Meron tayong sa Discord na pwedeng sa Discord meron tayong parang looking for teammates. So,
yun. Sa Discord pwede rin tayong maggrupo-grupo. Cyril Jacob Mejorada. Ayan.
Pwede po ba sa new joiner?
Oo. Pwede yung basta mag-register kayo dun sa bit.ly/pwa-pilipinas/ph yung Build a Modern Data. Darating na September 3 to 5. No? International din yan. I mean, kung the weeks meron tayong international speaker, doon naman mga international din. No? Kaya ayun. Kaya sali kayo, no? Maggrupo-grupo kayo para magbuo kayo ng team, no? May giveaway din doon.
Tapos after nilang sumama sa space ups na din para
yun.
Marami,
marami ding giveaway yung na yan. Yung hackathon na yan. Meron tayong asteroid, meron tayong planeta. Meron din tayong galaxy. Joke lang. Pero pag kayo ay nanalo dyan, may chance kayo na pumunta ng NASA. Ayan.
Pumunta ng Mars.
Pipili kayo ng planeta nyo, ha? Okay.
Pili na kayo. Saan yung planeta gustong pumunta?
Tatooine. Ayan. Alam mo yung Tatooine.
Ano yun?
Star Wars. Ayan sali kayo.
Anyway, sa mga gusto mag-volunteer, chance nila mag-join. Kasi for sure, sobrang daming opportunities.
Correct.
Sa September, October, November, December, yan.
Ito ito yung natin, yung ating link for the hackathon, no? Saka yung yung email nila? Ano yung email nila? Sa nila, PWA.
Ito, hi@pwapilipinas.org.
Pa-type natin yan.
Yan, sabi niya, okay lang sir, wala pa dyan yung Manila yung mag-volunteer. Pwede.
Wala pa dyan. Ano ibig sabihin ng wala pa dyan?
Baka hindi taga Manila yung mag-volunteer.
Okay lang sir, wala pa dyan Manila. Hindi ko naintindihan yung tanong. Pero whether you're in Manila or outside Manila, you're welcome to join and volunteer. Lalong-lalo na ngayong virtual, no? Oo, okay lang kahit saan ka ba nakatira? Tristan.
Ay, bawal. Data privacy yan.
Hindi naman tatanungin yung house number eh. Hindi ko naman tatanungin yung house number. Oh.
Hindi, no, address. Ay, tama ba?
Ano pala to, no? Cavite ka ba? Cavite? Okay lang yan kung outside Manila, we welcome yan. Lalong-lalo na ngayon, pandemic. I mean, lahat naman tayo work at home.
Yan, Visayas daw.
From Visayas. Oh. Ano na tayo, bay? Join na, bay. Oh. Dito tayo sa PWA Pilipinas mag-volunteer to. Oy, baka pwede tayo magkaroon, Andre, ng PWA Visayas. Oh, di ba? Pwede din. Oh. Yan.
Pwede rin.
Pwede. So, hide at pwapilipinas.org to volunteer.
Yan. Anyway, kung na-miss niyo yung mga naging streams dati, yan, nasa YouTube lang siya, Facebook, tsaka sa app natin. Ayan. Pwede niyong balikan.
Yun. Yan ang pwedeng balikan. Yan.
Wow.
Parang hugot na. May hugot tayo ngayon. Yan yung masarap balikan. Yung mga videos, mga speakers, we had basic, no? We have basic topics on progressive web apps. We have advanced topics as well. So, balikan nyo lang yung mga videos natin and learn more on this web development.
Okay. So, okay na tayo, no? Yeah. So, kita-kits na ulit. Kita-kits sa mga susunod na mga episode. Yan.
Kaya tumutok lang kayo dito ulit PWA Pilipinas. Like nyo ang aming Facebook fan page, PWA Pilipinas. Join din kayo sa Facebook group. Follow us on Twitter. Subscribe on YouTube. Like our Instagram as well. Follow in our LinkedIn and join our Discord channel.
Yan. Okay na. Sige,
Okay.
muli ako si Andresito de Guzman at
ako si Michael Lance mula dito sa hanggang sa muli. Ako si Michael Lance at nagsasabing PWA
Pilipinas. Bye-bye.
Bye guys. Bye-bye.
PWA Pilipinas would like to thank the following sponsors: Amazon Web Services, Apper.ph, Community Partners, Algo Filipino, Omnicotion, Angel Hack, React.js Philippines, Google Developer Student Club AMA Computer College Caloocan, Angular Philippines, Phil IT Org, Computer Professionals Union. Maraming salamat!